Thank you. Continuation to project 20 on the manual. This project 20, you have to replace this project 16. The setup of project 16, we have to replace the project 16 with a photoresistor here with the sliding, and see what will be the result. So we change the switch to put in photoresistor. Very good. Amazing. Very good. You can see the effect. If you tap here, the music is gone, comes, gone, good, come, good. Why is it so? The photoresistor here serves as a light. The light serves as a switch. So if you cover the switch from the shadow, give it a shadow, it's the circuit cuts, and when you on it, it comes. This serves as alarm again in malls, in houses, and when anybody comes into the house or anywhere, there's bound to be an alarm in the light. So in some rooms too, there are some photoresistors and come in place. Anytime there's somebody come inside the house, there's a shadow, quickly there will be effect. Let's off the light and see what will happen to this effect. Yes, wow. After only the light, everything has gone off, which explains the effectiveness of the photoresistor. So let's on the light to do the result. Wow, amazing. Very good. Very good. For the photoresistor, the photoresistor here now control the circuit. Now let's off it, and it ought to be the result when we add another load to the light. Instead of here, let's add a motor. So let's give it 1 unit. Let's raise it above ground 1 unit. Give it a motor from positive terminal. Yes, the battery is so good. Wow, amazing. So this is how they built, some industry build their circuits, and it works automatic. When there's a shadow here, it goes off, goes up. Very good. Depends on the energy of the battery. If there's a shadow, it goes off, it comes. Very good. Amazing performance. You can see clearly. Let's off the light and see what will be the effect. Let's go blackout so that the fan will stop working. Very good. This is a very good circuit board which control light automatically if you put load and other unit. Thank you so much.